Globally headquartered in Newburyport, Massachusetts, Rochester Electronics is a global stocking distributor, licensed semiconductor manufacturer, and provider of semiconductor manufacturing services, offering the world's largest continuous source of semiconductors. Rochester is the semiconductor lifecycle solution. Through authorized distribution and licensed manufacturing, we provide a continuous source of supply of active components to solve supply chain disruptions in end-of-life semiconductors to meet long-term customer needs. Rochester provides an ongoing source of supply for applications whose product life cycles extend beyond active device availability. We provide the world's most extensive range of end-of-life and broadest range of active semiconductors. We are 100% authorized by over 70 leading semiconductor manufacturers. Rochester is an original manufacturer stocking distributor with over 15 billion devices in stock spread over 200,000 part numbers. Over 10 billion of our in-stock devices are classified as end-of-life by the original component manufacturers. Despite being traditionally known for our end-of-life products and solutions, today 1/3 of our inventory consists of active products. Our factory direct offering negates the need for expensive testing, and our components are 100% authorized, traceable, certified, and guaranteed. We are licensed to manufacture devices no longer produced by the original component manufacturers. As a licensed semiconductor manufacturer, Rochester has manufactured over 20,000 device types. With over 12 billion die in stock, we have the capability to manufacture over 70,000 device types. Products are manufactured using the original information and technology directly transferred from the original component manufacturer. We offer ongoing manufacturing of stock products, build to order, and product replication solutions. All of our solutions are 100% certified, authorized, licensed, guaranteed, and sold with full approval in the original manufacturer's part number, with no need for lengthy customer redesign or requalification. Our in-house original device replications are form, fit, and functional drop-in replacements, which are guaranteed to the original datasheet performance. No software changes are required. Our process flows cover and include commercial, industrial, mil temp, military B&R, mil standard 883, SMD QML, space level SV, and automotive. Additionally, we provide a wide range of industry standard packaging and lead finishes, including tin lead, and RoHS. Rochester offers a full range of manufacturing services, including wafer storage, wafer processing, assembly, testing, reliability, and analytical services. We provide single solutions through to full turnkey manufacturing, enabling faster time to market. We have over 240,000 square feet dedicated to manufacturing at our in-house facilities. We have a state-of-the-art wafer storage facility that includes real-time monitoring of temperature and humidity and nitrogen purge with telemetry system for auto refill. Our hermetic assembly line is QML certified to MIL PRF 38535, supporting Class Q production, and a high mix of products with low minimum run requirements, along with a wide portfolio of hermetic package options. Rochester Electronics offers a range of plastic package assembly options, including QFNs, PLCCs, and BGAs. We also offer quick-turn prototypes, enabling customers to get to market quickly. Our broad range of test capabilities across multiple platforms includes digital, memory, analog, mixed signal, RF, and power electronics. Rochester has extensive in-house reliability and failure analysis capabilities with expertise in stress testing. Rochester Electronics is dedicated to supplying exemplary products and services that match or exceed customer expectations and are committed to continuous improvement. We are passionate about the preservation of the environment and compliance with environmental laws and regulations. Rochester's facilities incorporate a state-of-the-art zero-discharge wastewater system. Rochester is registered to manufacture ITAR products. Rochester is ISO 9001, 14001 for environmental management, and automotive IATF 16949 certified. We are also QML MIL PRF 38535 certified for Class Q and V for high reliability defense and aerospace applications. With direct sales and support staff in all major markets, complemented by a network of regional and global authorized channel partners, we aim to meet your needs over the phone or via our e-commerce platforms anytime, anywhere. No other company compares to the breadth of Rochester's product selection, value-added services, and manufacturing solutions. We keep your business moving.